Have you ever wondered what music your dog, cat, or other pet might enjoy listening to? With their newest feature, Spotify can answer that question for you. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Spotify's new Pet Playlists feature. Now let's get started. To begin, go to pets.byspotify.com and log into your Spotify account. You'll have to visit this site in order to create your playlist, as this feature currently isn't available through the mobile app. Click Let's Go to start creating your pet's playlist. Now select what type of pet you have. If your exact pet type is not listed, select the option you think is most closely related to the kind of pet you have. Then click Next. Now, Spotify will ask you a few questions about your pet's personality. For each one, click and drag the slider to indicate where your pet falls on that scale. For example, my cat is more relaxed than energetic, so I'm moving this slider a bit to the left. When you're done moving a slider, click Next to move on to another question. When you've answered all those questions, you can add your pet's name and a picture of them if you like. Click Next to generate a playlist. Based on your pet's personality and your music taste based on your Spotify listening history, your playlist will be tailored specifically for you and your pet to both enjoy. Click Listen Now to open the Spotify web player and check it out. That's all it takes to create a curated playlist for you and your pets on Spotify. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.